I'm Nongcebo Vukile Mackenzie, and this is the podcast, Sawubona. Every fortnight, a guest joins us for a conversation or to share a story. It's a pleasure to share these with you and to have you with us. Welcome, Ngiyakwamukela, to another episode of Nongcebo Mackenzie, the podcast. Our guest on this episode of the podcast is counseling psychologist Phephelani Zondi. Nondab, thank you for being with us on the podcast.
Thank you for having me.
It's been how many years? I think it's been over 8 years since we last.
Yeah, it's about 9 years.
Yeah, it's nice to see you again. Nondab, kukhona leli theme eligijimayo everywhere. When people give testimonies of their experience, that kake ngaba neshwa, ngaba nobudlelwane ne-narcissist. You look left, you look right, you look center, you look up, you look down, abantu kuthiwa bama narcissist. And I wonder if we have the correct understanding of what a narcissist is. Umuntu oyi-narcissist, umuntu onjani?
I'm surprised ukuthi ngivumile ukuzokhuluma ngale topic. It's a topic engingathanda ukukhuluma ngayo. But I find myself forced to talk about this topic, because of my line of work, as a therapist. And I've seen a number of people abeza kumina uthola ukuthi basebudlelwaneni nomuntu who has high levels of narcissism, and it creates a lot of turmoil. So I thought, maybe let's have a conversation with yini liyona leyo narcissism, because abantu baye basebenzisa igama nje narcissism.
Yeah.
This is how I describe narcissism. Ngiyangilisuse leli gama elikhulu lesingisi. Ngiyangibiza ngokuthi you are in a relationship with someone who is unrelationshipable. Ngamanye amazwi, narcissism is an illness of being unrelationshipable. So ngamanye amazwi lo muntu akuphileki naye. The term psychology would be narcissistic personality disorder. Mina ngithi the person has an unrelationshipable personality.
Okay.
Noma ngabe uthanda kangakanani to relate with them, but they are just unrelationshipable. Meaning ukuthi abanayo i-understanding noma abanayo ama-qualities of relational aspects or of relational rules that are not written down. Le imithetho yezokuphilisana nobudlelwane engabhaliwe phansi to make a healthy relationship. They don't have that. So they have a severe impairment of interrelational skills.
Kukhona abantu abahluphayo nje. Thola ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu ukusebenzisa itemu elijwayelekile, mhlawumbe uneconsi. Noma mhlawumbe umuntu nje onganaki. Noma kube umuntu onothando kodwa likhombisa ngendlela yabo wena mhlawumbe ubufisa ukukhombisa ngenye indlela ukuthi uyakuthanda but akukhombisa ngenye indlela ukuthi uyakuthanda yena uma ezokukhombisa at all. Khona abantu ngisho ngamenzela noma yini othi omunye ukuthi mawumenzele into akagcume ngisho ngathi umenzele into encane umphathele nje iglass, omunye umthengele imoto athi awuyazisebenzile yeyinhle kanti ujabule ngaphakathi. Now yini umahluko phakathi komuntu oyi-narcissist nomuntu onezinto nje zakhe njengoba sonke sinezinto zethu, ongathi umunye umuntu athi lwa Nongcebo nkosi, kanti maybe the person is not a narcissist but they just the way that they are.
Narcissism is an illness of lovelessness.
An illness of lovelessness.
Yes, it means which means ukuthi the person does not have within them the capacity to give, receive, or even recognize love.
Can they act it like it though?
Well, they can perform it.
They can perform it.
Yes, because narcissism, in its essence, is the absence of love. Picture it this way. Let's say you are my research supervisor. Bese uthi kumina Phephelani nginikeza i-task yokuthi uproduce abantu kwi-laboratory. do that. Ngiyahamba ngiyokwenza research ngiyabuya ngithi mina prof I think I can master this thing yokuproduce abantu elaborate, and you say go. I go, I produce laba bantu, then you come back and you assess abantu, they are fully functioning, and then how you well done, you've been able to produce these people elaborate, and then you find out ukuthi labantu engibaproducile they lack one thing, they lack ubuntu. How much would you score me? The people are fully functioning, but in your assessment as my professor, you say, Pepelani, yes, these people are fully functioning, but they don't have an aspect of Ubuntu. How much would you score me? Okay, maybe don't answer that. Second question, if we take laba bantu laba, engba producile, who have absolutely no conceptualization of Ubuntu, sibafubeke emhlabeni, how would they present when they relate to other people? That's narcissism. It's an absence of Ubuntu. It's an illness of Ubuntu. This is why ngokwesintu uma sichaza umuntu kufanele abe nobuntu, because umongo womuntu ukuba nobuntu. That's why abantu abadala bathi ukhuluma ngobani Pepelani lo wakwaZondi lowo akumuntu, because abantu abadala bakuthathile bakufaka esikalini bakuweya ukuthi ungumuntu na, bakuthola ukuthi chabo akanabo ubuntu lo muntu, so asikwazi kumbiza ngomuntu, sithi lo muntu akamuntu. So abantu who have narcissism abantu abangebantu.
So how do they get into relationships though? Because if we're talking on an intimate relationship level or a friendship level or whatever close relationship that you form, surely kukhona othima ubuke uthi kusengathi ngingaphileka noPhephelani.
Oh.
Bese uyasondela kuPhephelani. Ukuhangula umlilo. Ushe.
It's because angithi kunama traits kule personality disorder.
Okay.
Yeah. So one of them is looking biza ngokuthi the absence of ubuntu, the absence of lovelessness, which is a severe lack of empathy. So they do not have the capacity to empathize with you, not ukuthi abathandi ukuzwelana nawe. Cha, abanalo uzwelo. That's why uma ngihleli nomuntu ekhuluma nomuntu wakhe engibona ukuthi it's likely to be narcissistic personality. Ngithi mina bese thina I don't think uyangithanda, bese ngithi mina mhlawumbe hayi ukuthi akakuthandi, mhlawumbe akanalo uthando, because kukhona umehluko phakathi komuntu ongakuthandi wena nongenathando.
So uma engenalo uthando, sifika kanjani ekuthenini sibe nobudlelwane, because kufanele at some point either a behave noma ngikholwe ukuthi uyangithanda.
Engithi makusaqala in the relationship ukuvezela lokhu asuke efuna ukuthi ukubone.
Okay.
Because one of the essential features of narcissism is extreme manipulation. You know, so it's lack of empathy and manipulation. So the indlela baphila ngayo ukuthi they are manipulative in nature. So they will manipulate you into believing ukuthi you are in love. Kanti awukho. I remember ngolunye usuku ngikhuluma nomunye umngane wami ohlakaniphile nje okuwona futhi lo mkhakha. I was in love. And there were a lot of things that were happening. And then umngane wami ngimxoxela ukuthi kwenzakalani in this new relationship. Bese ethi umngane wami kumina, ngiyayiqala ke mina i-couple ehamba i-honeymoon ingakashadi. I didn't get what he was saying. He was saying to me, izinto esenizenzile kule period niqale le relationship abanye abantu abasemshadweni abakakazenzi. That means ukuthi the person was love bombing me. Trips to this, trips to that, gifts. So that ngizothi ngisothandweni. You see? And I fell for it.
So in other words, baba nendlela yokuyintshontsha inhliziyo.
Yes, they are crafty and manipulative.
Bese konakalaphi ngoba phela umuntu mayefuna ukuyintshontsha inhliziyo yakho kusengave efuna ukukuthanda yini kanti?
They don't have love. They have a very distorted view of love. They basuke befuna ukukuwina ukuze bakusebenzise. So it's not about you.
So ukungisebenzisa means what?
Okay. Angithi ngithe narcissism is an illness of lovelessness, right? Asibuyele ekutheni ke uma ngithi mina noNgcebe ngiyakuthanda ngisho ukuthini. I don't have a definition of love, but ngiyazi ukuthi uma ngithi ngiyakuthanda ngithini. Generally, I wish you well. I want you to prosper. May you thrive and flourish. And I'm there for you. Mangithi ngiyakuthanda, love is about getting out of your way to serve the other. Love is about temporarily forgetting yourself to consider the other. That's naturally how love works. And if I'm in a relationship with you, that happens almost naturally, which puts me in a position that you can manipulate me if you want.
That sounds very scary.
Phela uma ngikuthanda, that's how I do it. I devote to you with the hope that you will reciprocate this love. And that's why love becomes beautiful. If nawe you think ukuthi Pepelani, I want you to prosper, may you thrive. How can I be of service to you? Because love is about the capacity to hold the other person in mind. So which means ukuthi if you do not have a sense of ubuntu, you don't have the capacity yokuyifaka ezicathulweni zomunye umuntu ukubuka impilo ngeso lakhe.
Yini umahluko phakathi kwalokho nomuntu nje labantu ke kuthiwe nje ba selfish noma mhlambe abacabangelani, because ngiya ekuthenini siqonde true narcissism and some just unsavory characteristics that some people have. Does this mean that umuntu maye selfish, they've got a heightened aspect of a certain level of narcissism? Or can you separate it? Umuntu angaba nje selfish engesona narcissist, or is there an interrelation? And I'm making an example nge selfishness, but you know there could be other things. Mhlawumbe umuntu ongenalo uthando, abanye bangathi lo muntu akanalo uthando ngoba akakaza athandwe kwasekuqaleni, even indlela akhule ngayo or whatever. So they might not be narcissistic per se, but they just don't know what love is and therefore don't know how to give love. Ngoba uthola ukuthi ngizobuyela entweni engishile ekuqaleni, uthola ukuthi whatever happens sekuzothiwa umuntu narcissist. And the minute we mislabel something, we miss really understanding when we are in that true situation and the potential damage it could cause. Because we read about the effects of narcissism or of being in a narcissistic relationship. And here we're talking about intimate relationship, but I mean, I can only imagine, for example, having a narcissistic father or having a narcissistic sister, narcissistic brother, narcissistic mother, what that does. But we're looking at it in the context of a narcissistic intimate relationship, what that does to you and how you recognize that ave nje kuyi-trait ethile eyi-problem la, but umuntu ngempela uyi-narcissist.
Well, it would be different to just mhlambe izinga elithile lokuba selfish. This is how you would know ukuthi this is not just selfishness. This is how you would know. You would find ukuthi uma ukhuluma nomuntu and raise a certain aspect ongawathandi. One what they do is they become defensive. 2, they do not have within them the capacity to self-reflect. Ukubona ukuthi uma uxabana nomuntu, uxabana kube kumbi, uma usuwedwa uyaye ubuza ukuthi hayi mhlamba ngikhuluma ngani kahle. You have what I call a healthy sense of self-doubt. Then you pick up a call, ufonele omunye umuntu. Yazi bengixabana noNgcebo la wathi ngathi mfethu awungitshela mhlawumbe imina yini engirong la imina engingaboni kahle. You give yourself a room ukuthi I may be wrong. It's a healthy sense of self-doubt. Narcissists do not have a healthy sense of self-doubt. They absolutely block any possibility that you find a flaw in them. They just can't. That's why they are perpetual victims in the relationship. Everything that is wrong about this relationship is you. Let me read you the narcissist's prayer. I'll check it here on Google. The narcissist's prayer. That didn't happen. And if it did, it wasn't that bad. And if it was that bad, that's not a big deal. And if it is a big deal, that's not my fault. And if it was my fault, I didn't mean it. And if I did, yeah, you probably deserve it.
Oh, because it seems everything is falling on the other person.
Yes, wrong gabo bona.
So the effect of being in whatever situation, yes, again, we're talking about intimate relationship, but whatever situation, because phela abesiphila emhlabeni noma intimate relationships kuphela siyasebenza siyaphila sinabazali sinehlobo sinakho konke sinabangani. The effect of being in whatever form of relationship with umuntu ofana nalo, what does it do to you in your head? What does it do to you in your heart?
Now, because you are in this relationship with someone who is unrelationshipable, there is an aspect of being hurtful, or you know, because your emotions and your feelings are invalidated. We are gaslighted. So how you are in an environment where there's no emotional safety. So what then happens is that you start to doubt yourself. 1, 2, and then you start to doubt our values and your concept of love, because they rubbish the idea, the concept of love, such that you become confused. So a person then who has been experiencing narcissistic abuse will come to therapy confused, looking for answers. I'm in a relationship with this person. Very funny thing with Namhlanje, I saw 2 people. They are married, bobabili. They are struggling with people who have extreme narcissism. Ama partners up. But what they present with is a confusion and trying to understand ukuthi gonzakalani, and so they self-doubt. Maybe there's something wrong with me. So the manipulation and the gaslighting has gone so far, such that abanayo isho ukuthi lokho abacabangayo ku right yini. You know, I said to this person this morning, go and think about this question. Do you think that you have normalized something that is really abusive patterns of behavior in this marriage because you say we have uthando nkosikazi wakho? They're no longer picking up ukuthi this is an unhealthy way of relating. It has become part of kwenzeka lokho in the relationship. I mean, he was saying, yazi unkosikazi wami uvela iphike into kade sikhuluma athi no angishongo mina kanjalo. I even record her. The fact that he goes to the extent ukuthi fanele kamrecord unkosikazi ngoba useyazi ukuthi they will twist and things around, it just shows.
So it creates I suppose an unhealthy level of self-doubt.
Yes.
Okay. But what does it also then do to your ability to understand what is normal and what is not? Because as you're saying with one of the questions, is have you normalized something that is not normal? Because what I'm trying to understand is when you are in that situation, in that context, what becomes reality? Where are your lines of reality and the unreal?
Yeah, I think then you become confused, you become unsure of yourself, and you second guess yourself when you even go out there into the world. You know, but mangase sonke nabantu abala endlini ngithi linjani leli shirt uthi wena limnyama ngithi mina limhlophe leli shirt noncane uthi wena ayibu limnyama ngithi mina bhekisisa limhlophe nithini nina bathi bona hayi limhlophe leli shirt. What are you going to do? Ay mhlambe konke wrong ngengqondo yami.
But lento ichazayo isounda like uhamba ubalekelwe wena, as in you lose touch, as in you lose a grip on reality. Because to be able to be in a position where makuthiwa 1 o'clock bese ulibhekile iwashi athi omunye umuntu 5 to 1 ukade ulibheki uliphethe kanje kodwa ukwazi ukuthi ufike esigabeni ukuthi mhlawumbe akusiyena u1 ngempela. Usulimele phela mawulabo?
Yes, usulimele altogether, which is why then when at some point in time iphela le relationship, because every relationship with an unrelationshipable person has an expiry date. So if then it comes to an end, you then work hard to recover from that because you start connecting the dots. Oh, and you start getting angry at yourself. Why didn't I see this?
Why would you be angry at yourself?
Because why didn't I see this? Why did I see this?
Why don't you see it vele? Yini le enhle noma le narcissistic behavior isuke icashe ngezinto ezinhle?
There's many reasons why you don't see it. Mm-hmm. Naturally, uma usothandeni, you hope for the best, mm-hmm. and you expect the best. Love and hope are two sides of the same coin. When I love you, I don't see you the way that you are. I see you the way that I wish you to be. Mm-hmm. Which is why then when people come to therapy, angikwazi ukuthi ngibele ngithi hayibo shiya phansi lo muntu. Awuboni yini ukuthi wena uyahlukunyezwa kule relation? Awuboni yini ukuthi you are being manipulated here? Mm-hmm. No, you don't say that. You must find a way to help the person, but you know you so the person we are angakuboni lokho because basuke besothandweni. 2, also you want to work around the person. So unkosikazi wami nje uma ngenza kanjena mhlawumbe kuzoba ngcono. Mangenza kanjena mhlawumbe kuzoba ngcono. So you learn to cope with the person. That's why you stay. You know, you learn to cope with the person. That's why I have people who would stay for the whole year talking about talks on how they can walk away from this relationship. So people don't just don't expect you to, just because people have a narcissistic trait, they just, oh, okay, my wife is narcissistic. Okay, next week I'm filing for divorce. No, you love is about hoping. Love is about trying. You want to, you keep trying. And ukhumbule ukuthi umuntu mengathandi, it's almost like umama or who's toxic enganini. The mother, the child doesn't say, what kind of a mother is this? that she would treat ingane yakhe kanje. No, they don't say that. But what kind of a child I am that my mother would treat me like this? Then there's something wrong with me. So they internalize that. And what they do, they try to impress umango ukuthi renovate ikhishi, fake imali njalo ngenyanga, and they keep buying this life. Maybe my mother is going to love me. It's the same thing in a romantic relationship. You keep trying, you try harder.
With in an untriable situation.
Yes.
So,
but awazi nje ukuthi when it's untriable.
Oh, okay.
Uzokwazi ngani because love is hoping, you know. And uzokwazi ngani because you don't know, and you don't know ukuthi there are people out there who have an illness of lovelessness, who do not have the capacity to be in a relationship.
Does that then mean that by default, a relationship with a narcissistic person on whichever part of the spectrum is inherently an abusive relationship?
Definitely yes. And the best term is that you experience narcissistic abuse. Narcissistic abuse comes with being devalued, being belittled, having your feelings being invalidated, trying to connect with someone, but you can't achieve emotional intimacy because the person doesn't have the capacity to hold you emotionally because they are suffering from emotional hollowness. They can give you their body, but not their soul. So you cannot achieve emotional intimacy because emotional intimacy is about emotional nakedness and vulnerability and trust, you know, and integrity. Narcissism does not have trust, does not have integrity, does not have sincerity. That's why when you don't have a communication problem when you are in a narcissistic relationship. You are in you have communication difficulties in a healthy relationship. In a narcissistic relationship, you don't have a communication problem because the person is not trying to communicate with you. The person is trying to constantly manipulate, mislead, and twist this argument so that they can win.
You're reminding me of Indege like social media. I assume it was just a joke, but it was presented as a conversation between two people. So omunye uthi how bengisefonini yakho ngabona ukuthi wena khona kwenza esayidini outside of this relationship. Ibuye impendulo. Ithi impendulo. Awu. Yabona ulinyazwa ukuthi ubonile. Nathi tekulimazile we. Ulinyazwa ukuthi ungene efonini wabona.
So they are deflating the issue. So now we're not talking about the issue now. We are talking about when usuboni. So we're not talking about the issue. So they are deflecting the issue now. That's one of the strategies that they use. They would minimize. Well, that didn't happen. If it did happen, it was not that bad.
Can you get out of a narcissistic relationship?
Yes, you can. You can. But it usually requires you to get to a point of understanding ukuthi lo muntu angeke azashintshe.
What does that mean for you though, if you get to a point of accepting that lo muntu angeke azashintshe? Because if you're in a relationship, let's say with umuntu who is untidy, ne? And when we know and yamondla umuntu ayi ukwamukela lokho ukuthi ayi ngeke azashintshe kusho ukuthi nje vele nje ayi lo muntu uyinuko, lokho kuhlukile from accepting ukuthi lo muntu ungehlisa isithunzi, akangizwa, akangiboni, ungiphathisa okangqonjwana kuhlukile. So at what cost does it come at?
Yeah, unfortunately, by the time you get to that point, usuge usulimele kakhulu, and usuge usukhathe.
Is it possible for somebody who is a narcissist to be a wonderful person? Is it possible? Mhlawumbe ngime ngifakaze ngoPhephelani ngithi na yay, upstanding guy. Kanti uyabuka ohleka noPhephelani noma ohlekisana noPhephelani uthi wey. Is it possible for them ukuthi abe na different faces depending on context? Does it exist or present itself only in intimate relationships, or are the aspects of it only able to manifest in intimate relationships, or are they so clever that mhlambe bangabakhohlisa abanye abantu? Omunye umuntu nje athi awu noNgcebe ngilosi kanti omunye ucimeza uthi we.
That's the modus operandi.
So wonke umuntu angafakaza kahle
to mislead and manipulate certain people and to portray themselves in a particular view. One of my clients says to me, uyazi mangase ngiyekhaya ngiyo reporter ukuthi ungiphatha kanjani umkhwena wami, bangathi wazi wamsukela umkhwenyana uyagula wena phindela ekhaya, because umkhwenyana make kwathiwa kunenkinga ekhaya uvela sukume abe hands on emakufikwa esontweni uyahlonipha umekhuluma futhi nama employees akhe bayamuhlonipha kodwa bakafike nje la kumina.
Wasebamningi kangake yedwa ngoba phela oyikona kuyahluka ngokwesituation okuyona. Esontweni bazomunye umbala, ekhaya kwaziwa omunye umbala, emsebenzini kwaziwa omunye umbala. So which one is the real side of the narcissist? Is it the side that we see in their intimate relationship, or are all these real and true reflections of who they are?
Well, I don't know if they do have a real side, or if they do have a personality. Because abanaso isizinzo, you can't say ukuthi this is the person. You really can't say ukuthi this is the person, this is who they are.
Akabambeka kathinteki.
Because they will present themselves ngendlela abafuna ukuzipresenta ngayo ngaleso sikhathi.
So outside of the obvious, which we've touched on, how do you leave? Can you leave? How do you cope? Can you cope? If you are in a situation of narcissistic abuse, whether it be a friendship, whether it be an intimate relationship, whether it be a co-worker relationship, whether it be a parent-child relationship, sibling relationship, whatever context, is there anything that you can do for you? For you.
Yes. There is what you can do. You can walk away.
Hard as it may be,
but
long as
yes,
it may be.
Because that's the best ideal thing. Guti, you are in a relationship with an unrelationshipable person. Walk away from this. But of course, we know Guti, it's not that easy. So okay, you are asking Guti, how do you survive narcissism?
Yeah.
In a context of romantic relationship or a parent or that. I think the first thing we appreciate ukuthi lo muntu unjena and angeke aze ashintshe. That's one. Two, you then have to emotionally detach from this person, which is very difficult at times, but you are then emotionally detaching from the person, because ufana nengungumbane isho ungayithatha uyihake uyigone uyithande izokuhlaba, so ithande ilapha, and when you are in a kind of a romantic relationship with that person and you have certain expectations ungabi-ke nawo lawo ma-expectations. So that's why uma ngikhuluma nomuntu ngeke ngithi okay asivumelane la ngokuthi your wife will not change. Asavele sikuvume lokho. What you do then ke emva kwalokho is absolutely up to you, but asivumelane ngokuthi unkosikazi wami umuntu onjena. So ke do I stay and ngimukele ukuthi nakho engizokuthola nakho engeke ngize ngithola. I would never have an emotional intimacy like her. I would never have affirmation. I would never have you know, a sense of home.
I'll never be held in regard.
Yes. That's I like how you put that. Because ukhumbule phela ukuthi when we say narcissism is an illness of lovelessness, love is I see you. I recognize you. They don't see you. That's why ngesizulu uma umuntu umdelela athi wena awungiboni. They don't have the capacity to see you.
So accept that's how it is, and then you make a decision based on those.
Yes.
Pepelani, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us on this episode of the podcast. Remember, you can like the episode and share the podcast link, as well as listen to more episodes on the channel. Subscribe to the channel for more. Siyabonga. Thank you for listening.